Hey, it's Chris O. Now I promised to show you how I do round holes with a grinder. So lean on in, and I'll show you. We'll mark it first. I'll show you how to mark it. This, see, years ago when the tiles were small, the flanges for the tap, can you see what I'm doing? The flanges for the tap were always bigger, so you could get away with a square cut. Just cut it square. But now the tiles are getting bigger and the flanges are getting smaller. So it's a bit weird, but hey. So anyway, you've got to be super accurate. These tiles, I'm just trying to dry out these tiles because my pen won't work. Remove that before I knock it off. Right, so if we mark our tile there and there, I've got those fancy marker, you know, I've got those fancy things that you use to get your round holes, but I never sort of use them. Right, that's where my hole's going on that tile. Right, now I need to transfer that onto the back. This is how I used to cut my round holes before all the fancy round hole cutters came in. They haven't been in that long. So if you're a DIY and you haven't got a round hole saw, well, this is how you do it with your grinder. Let me show you how. So you start on the face. So we get a bit of a flat surface. This is quite a hard tile, so it would be quite hard doing a hole even with the hole saw. And you're coming from the back. It's not a very round circle, I'm no artist. This is how you do it DIY. And I'll do it before I get wet. You just keep going round and round with your grinder. Like that. Ooh. Once you've got that happening, it's easy. But just let the weight of the grinder do it. Don't push. See, it's just coming through there. Ooh, can you see it? And there, people, is your round hole. Don't hit it from that side, because it will chip. Whoop, 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 whoop. I need my hammer, but that's inside, so we'll just use this. That would have been a little bit of a struggle even with a hole saw, because when you've got a real hard tile, it's not actually that easy. Not as easy to cut with the hole saw as you think. But because that's hollow cut like that, you can just trim your hole nicely. Whoop, 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 whoop. Now I've got a cut for that. Let's see if it fits. Oh, nice. So now I need to cut for that. Where's my marker pen? There. And there. Am I in line? Yep.